Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will tell you how to delete all chats on Instagram at once or at one click. So it is easy, so please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, when you open Instagram, then tap on chat icon on the upper right corner and then tap on these three dots on the top, and here you will see select chats option. Tap on this and here you can select all the chats one by one and delete it with one click. So currently I have three members, so I selected them all, and you can delete them here with once or one click. So that's the method, but before this I am telling you the full method. So for this you should have to use a creator account. So currently I have selected the creator account. So once I am switching it to personal and then switching it to creator again to teach you how to change it to creator account. So for this, go to setting and then tap on account option, and here tap on switch account type, and here I am changing it to personal. Now I am changing it to creator again. So for this, tap on this option, then tap on setting and then tap on account and scroll down, and here tap on switch to personal professional account, and here tap on continue 4 or 5 times, and here select anyone. So I'm selecting blogger and then tap on done option. And here select the creator option and then tap on next. Now we are an creator account, so you will get this option after 1 or 2 days. So hope this will help. Thanks, goodbye.